In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a travel brochure in Canva. Whether you're planning to advertise a dream vacation hotspot or simply want to hone your design skills, creating a professional-looking travel brochure is easier than you might think. To get started, open up a web browser and navigate to Canva's website. You'll need to log into your account first, so if you haven't already registered, make sure to sign up for a free account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the main dashboard, a place bursting with creative possibilities. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand menu and locate the plus Create button. Clicking on this will open up a world of design projects you can embark on. From the various options available, type each brochure in the search bar. This will lead you to a range of tailored designs specifically formatted for brochures, each offering its unique style and layout. Now, choose the brochure format that speaks to your project's vision and click on it to open the design canvas. Your canvas is where the magic happens, and Canva makes it incredibly user-friendly. Whether you're a design novice or a creative pro, you have the tools you need to craft something that's truly your own. Once your canvas is set, look again at the left side menu and select the Design tab. Here you'll search for a template that meets your needs, offering aesthetic appeal while appropriately representing your travel destination. With countless templates at your disposal, there's something for every style, from sleek and modern to vibrant and bustling. With a template in hand, the real fun begins. Click to apply it to your project and then start customizing. Canva's intuitive interface lets you modify text, switch out images, and adjust colors with ease. Don't hesitate to explore different fonts and color patterns to make your brochure resonate with the destination it represents. Personalize the content by adding details like travel itineraries, highlights, or tantalizing descriptions of local cuisine and culture. As you work through each section of your brochure, remember that the goal is to engage and entice potential travelers. Striking a balance between text and imagery is key. You want to provide enough information without overwhelming the reader, so consider using some playful typography or infographics to break up sections. With everything laid out, take a step back and review your creation. Ensure that everything is in alignment, the imagery is clear and vibrant, and the final product aligns with your initial vision. Once satisfied, you're ready to download and share your masterpiece or print it for distribution. And there you have it, a dazzling travel brochure created in Canva, ready to help promote destinations near and far. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing!